shooting with a shotgun until we get here. That's all right.
That's the truth, really.
It is. It is.
Hey, Randy, where you at?
Hey, what's up?
What we doing today, Randy?
Everybody, we're going to have some fun at R&D Adventures again. Y'all have seen some of our episodes before when we're here. We usually get here once to twice every year. Right now, we're just sort of getting our gear together. Guide's getting his self ready. We're going to have a blast.
Can't wait. Y'all interested in doing any bird hunting? You can get on Facebook and look up R&D Adventures, and you'll see Dale Myers on there. Get in touch with Dale. He's got some of the best bird dogs in the country. We always have a good time here. That's the reason we come back. You'll see from this hunt how much fun we have. If you're interested in having a lot of fun like we're going to have today, give Dale a call. He'll fix you up. See you in the field. R&D Adventures. This is one of the fun things you do. Dale lets you get warmed up here with these clay targets. And you know how clay targets work. You might set button there, it throws them off. These guys back here is going to bust them. But I got to let you know a little secret.
Hey, here he goes.
Dennis over here, 6-time Tennessee State clay target throwing champion. Never missed one on camera. Randy, Virginia State clay champion right here.
Yeah, right.
And he has been known to do some trick shots. We may see that today, we may not, but
do like that one guy does. Just
top, yeah. But what I'm gonna say is, every time we've been down here, he has never missed a clay target. I'm gonna do the honors of throwing them.
Right. Y'all know Mike. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just leaving it.
Don't say. Safety is the most important thing down here. All right, you ready, Thad?
Ready.
You ready, Randy?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, Dennis?
Ready.
I didn't think I'm. Oof. I thought he was gonna throw it.
Now you're ready to get that little one on the bottom now. That little pedal down there.
Right there.
On the other side.
Or do a
That one,
instructional video on how to work these things, you know? I don't really know what I'm doing. I just mash something.
Oh, they threw two at the same time. Did you see that?
Did we shoot the same one?
You wouldn't video that, would you, Thad?
I think so.
That was one cripple and a miss. Anytime you're ready.
Ready?
Ready. Ready.
Ready.
Good shooting.
Ready.
Good shooting, Mike.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So we're doing all pheasants first, guys, and welcome to R&D. Good to have you with us again. I needed a few laughs, so I thought have you guys out. We're doing pheasants first.
Okay.
Dogs point. Get two of you on either side of me, or one, and we'll flush them. They're wanting to run in this cold weather.
Yeah. Okay.
So I know Mike's out of the running part, but
Yeah, y'all got the pheasant.
off we go.
Right there, Thad. Yep.
We got two of them on point.
Boy. Going to the woods.
That ain't got away.
They're trying to run on the morning.
Well, watch them.
Female.
Good shot.
Good shot, Mike.
Good shot, Mike. Good shot.
That went down.
Go get it.
Oh yeah, that in there.
I didn't see it come up. I figured it was gonna run. But it did.
Did.
I love watching them dogs work.
Did.
Here she comes.
Yeah, that there's got. Look here. Check it out, man. That's right there.
girl.
Yeah. Look at that.
All right.
Look at that.
Look at that thing.
Pretty female right there.
That a girl, Jill.
Good girl.
Jill.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Stuff it right in there.
Good job. Keep going, Dennis. I mean, excuse me, Mikey. Okay. Oh yeah. Right here.
All right, got
Mike, you can take the right if you want.
Let me get up there.
All right.
Oh, it just takes off.
You kind of took that personal, them two roosters, didn't you?
Good job, Mike.
He didn't want to have to go to KFC.
Beautiful.
I thought we were going to get him.
Look at that. Oh, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
She's on left.
Somebody needs to get above the dog. I think you got a runner here.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and get up past the dogs and maybe around that corner.
Hold up right there, Dennis.
You ready, guys? Oh.
Get it, Lola.
Perfect.
Good deal.
Let me or you?
I never fired a shot.
Okay, I thought I heard another one.
No,
That's me and you shot. I don't have a clue.
bird was going that way, so I didn't want to shoot because there's two people in the way. That's a good bird. That's a
There
good
you
rooster.
go.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful rooster.
Did you get that, Randy?
Pretty.
I shot, he shot. I'm
Straight from China.
I didn't shoot.
I was thinking it was two shots
Yeah,
there.
it was too.
There's too many people on that side. I didn't shoot.
Nice birds.
Look at that bird.
Beautiful bird.
All right.
Thank you, Dale.
Where'd my dogs go?
There's one right up here in the back.
Pointing?
Yeah, got a field right up here, I believe.
Backing them? Yep. Perfect. So I'll go ahead and get up there close to the dogs before I go in. Whoa, Otis.
He's a runner.
Oh.
Not.
Still here now.
Very good.
There we go.
Tell you what, it took her a second. Then it did. Come on. Dead.
Was not wanting to come out of there.
Usually they'll come right out.
Right?
Today they're wanting to sit tight.
Beautiful birds though.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Good deal.
I need somebody down here.
Okay.
Two shooters down here, one up on the hill. Oh. You're good right there. No, you go down. Whoop.
Good shot.
Nice.
I got one. Woo! Good shot, buddy. First tucker of my life. First time. Oh, that was amazing. That was awesome. Thank you, Mike Johnson. Thank you, Mike Johnson.
We got another point
Here.
here, guys.
Woo! One of you got it.
Double team. And you both shot.
Did. Girl, Lola.
I got a little Lola. Don't pay us this.
He does not. There's
I think you got another point.
Good girl, Lola. Good girl.
Point right here.
Good girl, Lola.
We got a double point right here.
Good girl, Lola. Bet you here. Good girl.
What do you think about that little dog, Thad?
I like her.
Bring her right to you.
Girl. I need somebody down here on my right. Follow with us, so we got runners.
Straight ahead, right there. I lost him.
Come down in behind you, Randy.
He's right there towards you, Dale. We got one right here too. We got this one right here too.
Got it.
Good girl, Jill.
Good deal. Y'all got it?
Yeah.
Good deal.
Make it squeak. Hey, good girl. Lola, in here, Dad. Let's go. Calm down. Take it easy. Take it easy, Dad. Easy. They're in here somewhere, guys. All right, get them out. That's two for today.
You all right?
Yeah.
I do this all the time. They stay there right here.
in front of me.
They're in here, guys. You just gotta get them out.
Man, they're holding tight. Good.
I don't know what makes them go in this stuff and bury themselves down, but they do. All right, good. Good. You're dead, Lola, dead. They say they're right here. Oh.
Right behind you, Dale. On the green.
Yep. Dead.
There's video on mine.
Did it come out of this pile?
It did. Did I get that one? Yeah. Okay.
Get ready, there's fixing to be another one.
Okay. Here it comes, Mike, Randy. Oh, we doubled that there. Wasn't no doubt about that, was there?
Nice.
That and there's ready for the pot. It's blowed up, shot up, cut up.
Girl, Jill. Let's go pick up that other one too. Come on, Jill.
She's on the back side.
Come on, Jill. We got the dogs pointed right in front of me. And I don't see where that other dog is either.
There she is.
Okay.
She said, okay.
Oh, Otis. Oh, really? Because you didn't find it, you didn't out. Whoa. So I wanted to get past the dogs if you would.
Coming up on you.
So the dogs are pointed right in front of me. Just be ready. Lola. Yeah. Quail.
Oh, it is quail.
Get it?
Nope. That little sucker, son.
She's pointed again. There might be another one here. Yep, get ready. There's two birds sitting together here. Okay. Lola, come here. Lola, here, dead, Lola, here. Dead. There's three. Out they go.
I got one right here.
That was pretty. Another one.
Good, Randy.
Quit showing off. Randy.
Gosh, Randy.
Huh?
That's showing off.
That's him.
That's me.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll swing
so
and it
cool.
come to my face. I just swung.
That was 3.
How many did we get?
One went right there. Where'd that one go?
That's the one you just shot.
Oh, it come out there
Yeah,
again?
it
I thought
come
it
out
went
there.
up the hill.
Where did yours die? The first one.
Probably on it.
How many did we kill?
2.
All right, so we got one up here.
Got that one.
Here, Lola.
Girl, Lola.
Couple boneless quail. Huh?
That wing was
Yeah.
over her eyes. You couldn't.
Good girl, Jill.
Oh, Mikey's on it.
Good girl. Come on, let's go.
That was just. Okay, there it is. Boom. Well, what no.
Oh, it was in my face. It was right there in that
Well, I
bush
knew
when
I
it
wasn't
come
going to
out.
shoot that way because I said, well, heck, right there's Randy. Shoot
I
that
was like,
way.
what? Randy, did you get a shot? Did you get a shot at all, Randy?
I did not.
Okay. You're kind of in a tough spot there.
Cover right, Mike.
What is it?
It's right here in front of us, Mike. Get ready. I got you. Hey, oh. Right there. I see it.
You want to go after her? Go after her. Y'all hit that bird. Y'all hit her.
And golly, old Thad got her.
Nice.
Folks, if you like that, want to see many more episodes,
Mike guiding on top.
check out our YouTube page, Shoot the Grill Adventures, and also check out Gen 7, another platform that's carrying Shoot the Grill Adventures right into your living room, and for all the excitement that you can stand. we'll bring it. You just watch it. Please subscribe. We really appreciate it and it helps the channel grow.
Hey everybody, it's Mike Johnson along with our lovely host, Rebecca Myers. We had a really good time down here at R&D Adventures, as you can tell by the tailgate. We had to hunt hard, we had to shoot hard. We had a few misses, as you'll see on the video, but I'm telling you what, if you ever want to do any kind of a bird hunt here in East Tennessee, Dale Myers has got them here at R&D Adventures. Here's Mr. Dale here, the best host you can ever have on these bird hunts.
And Lola.
We've been down here about 4 or 5 times, and that's his retrieve dog, Lola. You'll see her on the video. What she does is simply remarkable. If you're interested in a hunt like this, get in touch with Dale on Facebook. He'll fix you up, he'll get you a date, and you'll come down here and you can kill a tailgate load of pheasants and chukars, and you can kill some quails if you want. They're all good to eat. We had a good time, and we will be back. Thanks for watching Shoot the Grill Adventures. You can catch us on YouTube and our new platform, Gen 7 Outdoors. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.